In this episode, I will show you how to clean the Linea machine. We start by opening the door of our coffee machine. Close the canister chute and remove the canister one by one. Next, remove the dispense pipe from the brewer. Unscrew the dispense head to remove the pipe assembly. Remove the espresso brewer by pressing the lever and pulling from the machine. Clean the espresso brewer. Remove the wastewater bin. Remove the waste bin. Clean the area around the waste bin using brush or cleaning cloth. Next, remove the dispense pipe to clean the mixing bowl. Remove the mixing bowl by sliding the green lever to the left. Then gently pull the mixing bowl. Clean the red rubber gasket and the impeller. Make sure to clean the inside of mixing bowl properly. Clean the surrounding area of the mixing motor. Install the rubber gasket, then follow by the impeller. Take note of the flat surface and orientation of impeller. Using both hands, fix the mixing bowl properly. Press it firmly to avoid leakage. Do it the same on the other mixing bowl. Connect the dispense pipe. Fix the espresso brewer to the machine. Make sure it's fixed properly. Return the waste bin to the machine. Secure the dispense head pipe assembly. Connect the brewer dispense pipe. Clean the canister area using cleaning brush or clean cloth. Return the canister properly. Don't forget to open the canister chute. Press number 3 in keypad to perform mixing bowl rinsing. Remove and clean the drip tray, wash it in running water using sponge. Dry and refit to the machine. Disinfect the touchscreen area. Avoid spraying the chemical directly to the screen. Use cleaning cloth or tissue. Clean the dispense area regularly. Tablet cleaning is required every week to make sure our brewer is at optimal condition. If we don't perform tablet cleaning, machine will give errors and disable all coffee drinks. Start by typing the access code and press OK. Then select Coex Tablet Clean. Some machine requires you to select number 11 in keypad and then follow the screen instructions. Once prompted, place the cleaning tablet on the espresso brewer chute and press Start Sanitation. Press Finish after the cleaning is completed. Error message will disappear in Diagnostic Active Error folder once cleaning is finished.